That plant came from the Death Star. That thing's operational. Hello, all you rebels and Imperials and everyone in between. I'm Jennifer, and today we're gonna plant a Star Wars succulent. What does that mean? Yeah, good question. Well, all you need is a succulent and a Death Star 2 planter like this one. I got this at the Star Wars Celebration store, and it is ready to be filled and fully operational. Let's get started. Succulents are super low maintenance. They do really well indoors, and it's really hard to kill them, which is why they're the perfect plant if you're a novice gardener like me. The key with succulents is you don't want to overwater them. That's how they can die. And that's why we're not going to plant the succulent directly into this pot, because as you can see, there's no hole to drain it. So the water would just sit inside here and make the plant rot, and that would not be good, although it would be very similar to what happened to Palpatine. Now, maybe you're saying, Jen, I don't want to pot a plant. I'm terrible at keeping plants alive. I got you. If you don't want to have to take care of plants, you could always use this as a vase. Obviously, these are fake flowers, but you get the idea. If you really like the succulent look, but you don't want to have to deal with any sort of gardening or watering, no problem. You could actually get some craft foam. You could also get some dried moss like this from the craft store. Just fill it inside here and then put a fake succulent right on top, and bam, you got yourself a cool succulent planter. Easy peasy. Unlike the real Death Star 2, this has a diameter of 4 inches. So you'll want to make sure that you get a plant with a diameter of 3 inches, not 4 inches like I initially did, because then this is what happens. That's not cute. So hopefully you can find a 3-inch nursery pot like this, and you just put it in there like that. But as you can see, look at, you still see a little bit of the pot there. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna cut that off. First, carefully take your plant out of the pot and set it aside. Then cut off the top lip of the nursery pot so it fits nicely into the planter. I placed rocks at the bottom of the Death Star to give the plant some height. The rocks also function to keep the plant's roots away from sitting water. Now you're ready to place the succulent into the planter. And whenever you want to water your succulent, just take it out of the Death Star, water it, let it drain in the sink, and then place it right back in the planter. I love the way it turned out. Thank you guys for potting with me and creating our fully operational Death Star 2 planter, and may the plant be with you. Does that work? No, that's all right. You get the drift. Bye.